So I believe my job as a business person first is to try to pay back, pay forward, share the wealth, however you want to say it. Because at the end of the day, if you're the only person who benefits from your success, you're not going to have much of it. In 2007, we got our management team together and we went to a community center in our neighborhood and we painted the community center. And it was one of those feel-good things. And I remember walking back to my car and not feeling good about it. And I was wondering, why am I not feeling good? We just did this really nice thing, but I don't feel good about it. And I realized I don't feel good about it because I'm a business. I'm a business person. What I do is create value. And I just spent about $2,000 worth of management time, and we did about $500 worth of crappy painting. So I did not create value. So we came up with the Brewing the American Dream program out of my experiences starting Samuel Adams. Because when I started, there were two things that I didn't have access to that would have been really nice. First was loan money. I raised equity, but nobody would loan us any money. I went to 4 different banks. And finally, one of them just said, Jim, nobody's going to lend you money. We're a bank. We don't like taking risks. And your company is ridiculous. We're never going to get our money back. And the second, which was much more important, was coaching and counseling and advice. When I started Sam Adams, I should have known about business, right? What I realized is, yes, I knew about strategy and things like that, but in a small business, you're the CEO, but it doesn't stand for chief executive officer because there's really nobody to go out there and execute. You're the chief everything officer. You have to do all these things that are really important to the success of the business that you've never done before. And when we started the Brewing the American Dream program, I realized I don't really know about microfinance. How do you manage that whole process? So we partnered with the Accione Opportunity Fund to help us do that. And since then, we've made $110 million in loans to 4,300 companies. We've provided coaching and counseling to many, many more, maybe 15, 20,000 companies. And those companies have saved or created almost 12,000 jobs in their communities.